Almost 96% of car owners don't know these car hacks actually work. And the crazy part, some of them can save you serious money, real money, not pocket change. There's even one trick in here that can prevent repair shops make thousands from every single day, and they never talk about it. Before you spend another dollar on your car, here are 17 insanely effective car hacks that most mechanics keep to themselves. Let's get into it. Trick number 17. Toothpaste windshield crack repair. You're cruising down the road and suddenly you notice it, a small scratch or tiny chip on your windshield. Not enough to replace the glass, but enough to annoy you every time sunlight hits it. Now here's what most people miss. Not all toothpaste works. You need the classic non-gel type, the slightly gritty kind. Dab a small amount onto the scratch, take a soft cloth and work it in using tight circular motions. Give it a minute or two, then wipe it clean. What's happening here is simple. The mild abrasives polish the surface and reduce how light reflects off that scratch. It won't fix deep cracks, but for surface damage, it makes a visible difference. Ever wonder why professional scratch removal costs so much? You're basically using the same concept. But if that saved you a bit of cash, the next one is even more surprising. Trick number 16, Vaseline for an instant tire shine. You know those expensive tire shine products that promise that deep black look? Half of them either sling everywhere or fade within a day. Here's the alternative sitting in your home right now, Vaseline. After cleaning your tires, apply a thin layer with the cloth and work it into the sidewall. Then lightly buff off the excess. The result? A clean, rich finish without that greasy mess. It also helps condition the rubber and slow down drying. Just don't overdo it. Too much will attract dust. Ever noticed how some cars always have that perfect tire look? Now you know why. Now here's one that sounds crazy but works. Trick number 15. Coca-Cola for a dead car battery. If your car is struggling to crank and you see that blue-white cauliflower growing on your battery terminals, that's lead sulfate, and it's a silent killer. It creates high electrical resistance, making your alternator work overtime and eventually killing your starter. A shop will charge you $50 for a battery service. Instead, grab a can of Coke. The phosphoric acid in the soda is a chelating agent. It literally eats the metal oxides while leaving the lead terminals intact. Pour it on, watch the chemical reaction fizz away the gunk, scrub it with a stiff brush, and rinse with distilled water. You've just restored your battery's cold cranking amps for the price of a vending machine drink. It's basic chemistry that shops treat like a premium service. Trick number 14. Credit card for cleaning windows. Ever notice those ghost water spots or baked on bug butts that no amount of Windex can touch? You're fighting a mechanical bond with a chemical solution, and you're losing. Instead of reaching for a razor blade, which can easily scratch your glass if you hold the angle wrong, use an old credit card. The plastic is hard enough to shear off mineral deposits and organic matter, but soft enough that it physically cannot scratch the glass. Hold it at a 45-degree angle and plow the glass. You'll be shocked at the amount of invisible film you scrape off. It's the ultimate zero-cost mechanical decontamination. Trick number 13. Adjust your wiper nozzle with a pin. There's nothing more frustrating than a washer nozzle that shoots over the roof or hits the bottom of the cowl. Most owners think the pump is failing or the nozzle is clogged and head to the dealer. Newsflash, most nozzles are eyeball joints. Take a sewing pin, insert it into the tiny hole, and you can literally aim the jet exactly where you want it. This takes 30 seconds and saves you a $40 adjustment fee. It's a precision fix that requires zero tools and $0. Trick number 12. Remove windshield streaks with vinegar. If your wipers are leaving ghosting streaks at night, it's usually not the wipers. It's a layer of road oils and wax build up on the glass. Most glass cleaners contain soaps that just smear the oil around. You need to break the pH. White vinegar is a mild acetic acid that cuts through petroleum-based road film instantly. Mix it 50-50 with water and use a clean microfiber. It strips the glass down to the bare surface, giving your wiper blades a perfect squeaky mating surface. If you're tired of being blinded by glare at night, this is your fix. Trick number 11. Polish off gunk with a dryer sheet. Bug splatter is acidic. If you leave it on your bumper, it will etch your clear coat, leaving permanent scars. But scrubbing them with a traditional sponge can leave swirl marks in your paint. The pro hack is a wet dryer sheet. The chemicals used to soften fabric fibers also act as a powerful surfactant for organic proteins, bugs. When wet, the sheet becomes a micro scrubber that melts the bugs off without any aggressive pressure. It's a chemical-mechanical shortcut that detailers use on high-end cars to avoid using harsh greasers.
Trick number 10. Hidden car remote start trick. Key fob range sucks in big lots? Press it against your jaw or chin. Your skull boosts the RF signal like an antenna, can double range. Bonus, many post-2005 cars have factory remote start buried. Try lock once, then hold remote start 3 to 5 seconds, or check manual for sequence. Dealers charge $300 to $600 to add what's already wired. Call your dealer parts desk first. Does my VIN have OEM remote start capability? Save big. Tried the chin trick? Does it work on your car? Winter lifesaver next. Trick number 9. Hand sanitizer to de-ice your lock. Frozen lock, freezing fingers, late for work? Dip key in alcohol-based hand gel, insert, wiggle gently. Alcohol melts ice fast, lower freeze point than water. Keep travel size in winter glove box. Locksmiths charge $80 plus for the same principle. Genius in 10 seconds. Saved you in the cold yet? Engine bay looking old? Fix it cheap. Trick number 8. WD-40 on engine plastic parts. Faded, chalky plastic covers under hood? Scream old car. Spray light mist of WD-40 on plastic or rubber trim. Avoid belts, hoses, sensors, and wiring. Wipe excess? Oil restores color, blocks UV. Lasts weeks. Shops use similar in $60 engine detailing. Cheap and effective, but ventilate well. Your bay fresh? Share a before and after if you try. Bad weather game changer.
Trick number 7. Auto tilt side mirrors when reversing. Many cars, especially 2010 plus, have reverse tilt mirror dormant. In settings menu or mirror switch panel, find reverse tilt or auto dip. Enable passenger side. Mirror dips to show curb or tire when reversing. Perfect parallel parking. Dealers upsell parking packages with this built in. Check your settings tonight. Activated yours? Which car? Stiff key fix. Trick number 6. Rub soap on your car key. Key sticks, grinds, risks breaking. Rub blade on dry bar soap. Light coat. Soap dry lubes tumblers, smooths action. Reapply every few months. Locksmiths sell $15 sprays for same job. Stiffness gone? Comment. Shine that lasts. Trick number 5. Hair conditioner. Wait, why are we putting beauty products on a car? Because high-quality hair conditioners contain lanolin and silicone polymers. When you mix a shot of conditioner into your final rinse bucket, you're applying a microscopic layer of wax-like protection. It gives the paint a high surface tension finish, meaning water will bead off just like it would with a $50 ceramic spray. Plus, it smells a lot better than industrial wax. Trick number 4. Cardboard under your wipers overnight. The most expensive mistake people make in winter is trying to force frozen wipers to move. This strips the gears in your wiper motor, a $300 repair. A simple sheet of cardboard prevents the rubber from ever bonding to the glass. It's the difference between driving away in 30 seconds and spending 15 minutes chipping away at ice while your hands freeze. Trick number 3. Candle wax on your car dashboard. UV rays turn your dashboard into a dry, cracking mess. Armor All can sometimes be too greasy and actually attract more heat. Instead, take a white tea light candle and lightly draw over any hairline cracks or high sun areas. Buff it in with a cloth. The paraffin wax fills the pores, creates a heat-resistant seal, and provides a natural UV barrier. It's a set-and-forget restoration that costs pennies. Trick number 2. 30-second car cooling trick. Here is how you save your AC compressor.
If your car is 140 degrees inside, don't just blast the AC. The AC has to fight that static heat pressure. The hack: roll down the passenger window, then go to the driver's door and fan it open and closed 5 times. This creates a pressure differential that literally pumps the hot air out of the car. You'll drop the interior temp by 20 degrees in seconds, allowing your AC to reach cabin comfort in half the time. This saves fuel and adds years to your compressor's life. Trick number 1: WD-40 on your tire rims. This is the king of maintenance hacks. Brake dust is actually microscopic shards of hot metal that burn into your wheel's clear coat. Once it's baked on, it's permanent. After you clean your wheels, wipe them down with a light film of WD-40. This creates a non-stick surface. The next time you drive, the brake dust can't bite into the metal. It just sits on top of the oil film. When you go to wash your car next time, the grime literally hoses off with just water. No scrubbing, no expensive acid-free wheel cleaner. If these saved you cash or headaches, like and subscribe. More real hacks coming. Which trick shocked you most? Comment below and tell me your car. I'll tailor more tips. Drive smart, save big. See you next time.